Welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, informative, popular, unique educational channel. To watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos of machine learning using Python recently, such as facial emotion recognition, then facial recognition, registration and login, then image recognition using ResNet library, then we have seen food classification using CNN using TensorFlow, then image recognition using ResNet, then we have seen image classification using TensorFlow, then multiple face recognition using dlib library, our latest video. Today video is really interesting and creative. It is all about facial recognition login system. So let us go through our main file, main Python file which you want to execute, main.py. Yes. This is our main file. I have used the MySQL as the backend. Now I will execute the program. I have used the Tkinter library of Python for GUI. Yes. First of all, we need to do the registration. For registration, we need to log in with admin. Yes, first name Akshay, Kumar, designation programmer, email ID akshay@gmail.com, contact number, date of birth, joining 1, gender male, Bandra. Now registration is successful. Now your face will be detected. Yes, right now. Then after registration I will do login.
Please center your face before the camera and wait.
Yes, face detected. Yes. So login and registration is successful. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more creative videos on machine learning using Python, login and registration, image classification, object detection, object recognition, and emotion recognition. Thanks for watching.